By and large, scholars have differentiated the notion of supply network around two elements: relationship and complexity. Also applied supply network analysis in the outsourcing context to demonstrate numerous benefits of the using third-party logistics providers when dealing with complexity and supply chain information management issues. In this image, each dot represents a supply chain actor like supplier, distributor, retailer, and so on. This is where the actors establish dyadic relationships. However, it must be noted that it is unusual for an actor to interact within only one dyad. Firms are likely to be connected directly or indirectly with numerous other firms. We explained how supply chain and network exist together in the corporate world. However, there is also a flip side to this where the supply chain and network work in contrast. Usage of supply chain management increased strongly in mid-1990s and usage of supply chain network increased gradually, slightly lagging usage of supply network. It is believed that supply chain network is used as an alternative term to the supply network. Some key points that were clarified about supply chain and supply network concept were: where supply chain focuses on product and services, supply network concentrates on relationships. Supply chain has a linear and stable structure, while supply network works in a non-linear and dynamic structured industry. Supply network is highly complex as compared to supply chain. Operations in supply chain are often predictable, while in supply network it's highly unpredictable. To conclude the initial part of the network session, this research has enhanced our appreciation of the strategic interplay between supply chain and supply network decision making, showing that some strategic rethinking is required by managers to cope up with the complexity and multiple dependencies of the supply network.